Rabia, where are we going?
We are going for an invitation.
We are going Kowloon Bay.
Yeah, Kowloon Bay.
Okay.
We have an invitation, a dinner, a lunch party. So let's see where is Kowloon Bay, and then go to my friend home.
Are you excited to
Yes.
visit Kowloon Bay?
Yes, because I'm going first time there with you.
Okay, let's see what we are going to find in Kowloon Bay. So right now we are just in the train. We arrive at Wong Tai Sin. So we are going to Norfolk. There we are going to take the taxi. This is Norfolk. I'm very excited, to be honest with you.
Stay, our friend home.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Sadly we got late. Now we have to take the taxi. We are in our taxi. We are visiting our aunt.
I am so much hungry.
Me
The
too.
house has traveling my stomach.
We are at the Kaip estate. I'm very excited, to be honest with you. This is one of the old Hong Kong in China. There's a lot of construction happening. Let me show you what's that. Oh, that's nice. I think we have to go somewhere here. Can you call and ask them what is the building name? You have no idea where we have to go, to be honest with you. Can you ask the building name, Rabia? It's a quite nice place, to be honest with you. It's a quite nice estate. This is a quite old estate, Kaip estate. Where we have to find?
Kai Luk house.
Kai Luk House. Let's see where is the Kai Luk House. Kai Luk Lao. So we are still trying to find the Kai Luk House. Let me just give you a quick tour. Did we find the house? No idea. Okay, let's see where we wanna go.
We go straight.
Okay. Is there our aunt wheelchair? No idea.
Go ahead then.
Okay, we found the house. Maybe this one is the house. Finally, we arrive at our aunt home. Can you knock it?
आ गए भाई बड़े बड़े मेहमान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आ जाओ आ जाओ।
क्या चल रहा है? आइए।
आ जाओ। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। अल्लाह का शुक्र ठीक ठाक।